This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Kathy Worthen. Sought after Harbour View. The two-story home west/new trex deck and pergola, low maintenance, fncd Bkyd, 2-car garage. Second floor HVAC is 4 years old, fifth bedroom could be a children's retreat/rec room. New bamboo flooring /living room, kit, MBA and hall. Updated spacious kitchen, new solid surface counters, newer stainless steel appliances, master suite west/sitting area, double tray ceiling, master bath west/2 vanities, jetted tub, separate shower, walk-in closet. You will love the upscale charming waterfront community filled with resort-inspired amenities and an award-winning golf course too. Ideally positioned for living convenience.